In this video, is Bitcoin hinting a potential bearish weeks in the upcoming weeks, and at the same time, we are going to discuss the bigger time frame with the Bitcoin price action on where it is heading to. Well, stay tuned to know more. Do you want to learn the strategy that I use for my day-to-day trading? Then make sure to check out our Gaps Crypto 101 playlist. You can start learning how to trade in the cryptocurrency market all for free, and the link is available in the description down below. And if you want to start opening an account with any crypto trading platform, make sure to trade this guys with Femex and Bybit, as they have one of the lowest fees possible in the cryptocurrency market. And if you use our affiliate links, you can get up to 20,000 US dollars of bonuses when you are going to deposit with those trading platforms, and the links are available in the description down below. So now let's dive into this video. So hi guys, and welcome back to another Gabs cryptocurrency video where we trade by data and not by hype. If you haven't subscribed to my channel, click the subscribe button down below and hit the notification bell so you won't miss out videos like this. And before we start, meron din tayong Apple Watch SE giveaway. As of now, 24 lang yung nag-respond. So there is a lot of chance to win dito. So make sure to check this one out. You can find this guys in the description down below. But anyway, let's now discuss dito kay Bitcoin price action and let's see where it is heading to. So right now, 'di ba, ang minomonitor natin ito is yung rising or ascending channel dito. And at the same time, as you can see, 'di ba, nagkaroon tayo ng bullish breakout dito. So initially, we were expecting for Bitcoin to go to the upside. But as you can see, if you're going to look at the volume, walang ganong volume na nagpo-form dito. So, this could tell us na this could lead into a potential fake out. On top of that, nagpo-form din tayo ng panibagong resistance, which is this 200 week or 200 day moving average. And right now, that is what is happening dito with the Bitcoin price action. So, as of the time being, in the current price action, there is a resistance forming. But if you're going to look at this in the stochastic RSI, you will find that right now we are potentially forming a potential bearish cross dito in the weekly time frame. So right now, this is not yet confirmed. This is not yet confirmed, guys. But if in case ang mangyari dito is magkaroon na nga siya ng cross confirmation or bearish cross confirmation, then that could signify na we might see a bearish weeks in the coming weeks. So right now, that is what you have to monitor right now with the Bitcoin price action, because if this does play out, then we might shift into Bitcoin going back inside this wedge or inside this channel, or the other thing is you can see a potential bounce play within this two moving average dito. So that is what we have to monitor within the next few months or next few weeks. And let's try to zoom out pa dito further, because if you're going to zoom out further, then let's plot a Fibonacci retracement from the previous high to the current low. You will find na meron tayo nagpo-form na potential support and resistance as well. So the current support area praying right now is the 75,700 US dollars. So 75,700 US dollars is the current support area if we do get some rejection dito and mag-play out yung bearish cross sa weekly time frame. And on top of that, the current resistance na nga actually nitong Bitcoin price action is playing around the 85k. So it is possible na before we see this push to the upside, magkaroon muna siya ng one last push to the downside, then magkaroon ng bounce, then saka tayo makita ng movement up until the 84 or 85,000 US dollars. So 85,000 US dollars, around 85.3k yung next resistance dito. But yeah, let's not discount out this, or let's not forget about this stochastic RSI weekly potential bearish cross. So that is what I am currently monitoring dito. And take note guys, if you want to take advantage of this trade, make sure to trade this guys kay Wix. Kasi kay Wix, hindi mo kailangan ng KYC. And of course, okay din yung Bitcoin trading fees doon. So I highly recommend you guys na mag-trade kay Wix. And if yun yung for the short term, but for the long term, I still recommend Bybit. Kasi kay Bybit, pwede mag-average out yung positions nyo. And yeah, that is much more okay if you are going to trade that in Bybit, yung pang long term. But anyway, ayun lang muna update natin for the time being, guys. If you find this video useful and informative, please give this video a like and hit the subscribe button hit the subscribe button down below so you won't miss out my upcoming videos. But yeah, yun lang muna for the time being. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye-bye for now.